Intel AMT Hardware KVM. Welcome to this tutorial where we will show the Intel AMT Hardware KVM or out-of-band remote desktop functionality available with Intel EMA. Take into account that this functionality is only available on a provisioned Intel vPro PC. Step 1. Starting from the General tab. We'll start the process by navigating to the General tab of an endpoint. Let's first focus on the conditions. Intel AMT functionality can only be used when Sierra is connected. So, the last bullet point showing Sierra status should be green. The power status of the vPro PC doesn't matter, but this scenario starts with a PC that is powered off. The first bullet concerning the power status of the PC should be yellow. Step 2. Hardware Manageability tab. Click on Hardware Manageability. A window called System Status will start to show the information that is received directly from the Intel vPro PC. Step 3. Remote Desktop. Click on Remote Desktop on the left bar. Let's start with waking up the PC. Click on Power Actions. Select Power Up in the Power dialog pop-up window. Click OK. Notice that the remote PC starts to boot. Wait until the PC is up and running. Click on Connect. A 6-digit user consent will show up on the screen of the Intel vPro PC. More information on user consent is provided in the Hardware Manageability video. Enter the 6 digits in the Management console. The Intel AMT Hardware KVM session will start and you will have full remote control on the endpoint. Also notice the red-yellow blinking framework on the screen of the Intel vPro PC. This is to inform the user of the Intel vPro PC that an Intel AMT Hardware KVM session is active. If there is more than one display connected to the Intel vPro PC, you can choose which display you want to see remotely. At the bottom, you can select primary display, secondary display. You can also choose full screen on the Management console. Let's now restart the Intel vPro PC and boot the PC into BIOS. Click on Power Actions. Select Reset to BIOS in the Power dialog pop-up window. Click OK. Notice that the PC is rebooting and entering the BIOS. You can go to the different BIOS screens and change BIOS settings. You could simply exit the BIOS, but we can also force a reboot. Click on Power Actions. Select Force Reset in the Power dialog pop-up window. Click OK. Notice that you can follow the complete boot process. You will not lose the connection during the boot process. Finally, you return to the login screen of the Intel vPro PC. Click on Disconnect to end the Intel AMT Hardware KVM session. Congratulations! You've successfully used the Intel AMT Hardware KVM or out-of-band remote desktop functionality available in the Hardware Manageability tab of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface. You can fully control the Intel vPro PC remotely even when the OS is not up and running. Stay tuned for videos explaining other Intel AMT functionalities in detail.